Start by laying the spider sheet over a bucket or container with the plastic spider facing up. Now push the center of the sheet down into the container. The spider sides will open up and the sheet drops right down inside it. Go ahead and pour some water into the center, over the spider insert. That's what keeps your flowers hydrated. No vase needed. Cut your flowers to the height for the arrangement and place them into the center, right onto the spider. The bouquet might open up a bit, but don't worry. It'll all come together in the next step. Once you've got your flowers in, use a ribbon, elastic, or twist tie to gather the sheet around the neck of the bouquet and tie it off. Take your bouquet out of the bucket, and that's it. A gorgeous bouquet, fully hydrated and wrapped like a gift.